After 11 days of intensive work, the first session nears its conclusion. Delegates have resolutely completed a comprehensive agenda of vital legislative tasks. Lawmakers passed landmark amendments while improving supervision programs and resolutions. This session exemplifies the party and state's unwavering leadership in advancing national development and legal perfection. Our reporter Sơn Anh was at the scene.
Thursday morning featured discussions in the main hall on amendments to the personal income tax law, value-added tax law, corporate income tax law, and special consumption tax law. The Assembly then heard the proposed 2027 supervision program and debated its detail. In the afternoon plenary session, they voted on key bills, including the amended law on access to information, law on the capital city, law on civil status, amendments to the law on notarization, law on legal aid, law on emulations and commendation, law on belief and religion, a resolution on coordination mechanisms and special policies to enhance prevention and resolution of international investment disputes, and amendments to the law on representative agencies of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam abroad. Afterward, reports covered voter opinions for the first section of the 16th National Assembly and supervision results on 15th National Assembly petitions, followed by discussions. Now, the closing ceremony of the first session of the 16th National Assembly will officially take place on Friday morning, formally concluding 12 intensive days of legislative work that included passing major laws, electing key leader positions, approving the national budget, and setting priorities for the 2027 supervision and development programs. Sơn Anh, reporting for Vietnam Today.